What's up guys, we are about to kick off an exciting tech month. Lots of exciting phones are coming, but one of the most exciting and affordable will be the upcoming OnePlus 6T, the phone that many say could actually be the phone of the year. So in this video, we'll take a look at the top 6 amazing upcoming OnePlus 6T features. First up is the new display design. OnePlus 6T is coming with the all-new front display design we have seen in the leaks, and now it's confirmed thanks to all leaks for showing us the OnePlus 6T renders based on the official factory CAD details. So this is how the OnePlus 6T will look. Similar to Oppo and Vivo, OnePlus 6T will also going to embrace the so-called best notch implementation, aka the teardrop notch or water droplet notch. Now I have experienced this, and unless you're a born notch hater, which you probably are, this is actually not bad at all. I had a pretty good time with this design, and I'm glad that OnePlus 6T will have a smaller notch and have this new water droplet notch design and also a smaller chin. So we have the new design, but the back is still the same. Dual cameras similar to OnePlus 6, 16 megapixel plus 20 megapixel combination. It is definitely a clean look because now we only have cameras on the back because the fingerprint scanner is no longer on the back. There has been rumor of triple cameras as well, but I don't think that's gonna happen this year because this is what we have officially with the design, dual cameras, and a water droplet notch. Next up is the most exciting one, which is going to be the in-display fingerprint scanner. OnePlus 6T is now rocking an in-display fingerprint scanner, and the company has confirmed it along with the depth of headphone jack. We get to that later. This is the main headline feature of the phone as seen in this official teasers. It is expected that OnePlus will be using the latest generation of in-display fingerprint scanner similar to the Vivo V11 Pro. It could be one of the most fastest in-display fingerprint scanner thanks to the combination of facial as well as the in-display fingerprint reading. So together, it will give you a super fast unlock speed that we have already seen on the Vivo V11 Pro. So it could be even faster than that on the OnePlus 6T thanks to a more powerful hardware, which is going to be the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor. Hence, it says unlock the speed. Next on the list is going to be the battery, and probably the most meaningful upgrade you will see compared to the previous generation. So in the recent leak, we have now come to see that OnePlus 6T will have a bigger battery coming at 3700 mAh size. With the lack of headphone jack, the CEO said that they got more space, and hence we're gonna see a bigger battery on the OnePlus 6T. So 3700 mAh battery compared to the 3300 mAh of the OnePlus 6 is a nice increase in the battery size, and it's similar to the Oppo R17 Pro. So that also confirms that the bigger battery is indeed happening. Next is the Android 9.0 Pie. OnePlus 6T will going to be one of the first flagship phones to have Android 9.0 Pie version out of the box. Lots of improvements and new features are coming. You have a near stock version of Android running with customization options and OnePlus's crazy optimization. I mean, the OnePlus 6 already made the iPhone XS Max look kinda not cool with the A12. So this thing will be equally, if not better, than OnePlus 6 because the chip is still the same, which is the Snapdragon 845. At number 5, we have Gorilla Glass 6. Now, OnePlus 6T will be the first OnePlus phone and also one of the few phones on the market to rock the latest durable glass from Corning, which is the Gorilla Glass 6. So Gorilla Glass 6 is 2 times better than the Gorilla Glass 5. It survived 15 consecutive drops from 1 meter onto a rough surface. So OnePlus 6T is coming with the next level of durability thanks to the Gorilla Glass 6. And finally, we have the wireless bullet headset. With the depth of headphone jack, OnePlus will be using this opportunity to introduce the wireless bullet headset. The current model was incredibly successful with the sales, which is why they're going to introduce the wireless bullet headset at a cheap price. You're obviously going to see Type-C headphones out of the box along with the 3.5mm dongle. But if you want to go wireless, you can do that by buying the new bullet wireless headset. So yeah, these are the top 6 OnePlus 6T upcoming features. Sadly, there is nothing regarding the wireless charging. Some people are really sad that there is no headphone jack. They have officially said goodbye to that. If you have a OnePlus 6, then definitely there's no need for an upgrade. It's better to wait for the OnePlus 7. If you are on an older model, then definitely go for the 6T. I'm really looking forward to that in-display image scanner and the bigger battery. So let me know what you think about this in the comment section below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.